For 25 years, the answer to every question was the same: Google it. But something has quietly changed in 2026. Millions of people, including me, are using Google less and less. Not because Google got worse, but because something better arrived. In this video, I'll show you 3 tools that are slowly replacing Google for different kinds of searches. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use Google, when to skip it, and what to use instead. Let's go. First, let's be honest about Google. For simple questions like, what time does this restaurant close? Or what's the weather tomorrow? Google is still the king. Fast, reliable, and the answer is usually right there at the top of the page. Don't stop using Google for these. They're what it does best. But for everything else, Google has problems. If you've searched for anything serious recently, a medical question, a tech comparison, a business decision, you've noticed it. The first half of the page is ads, then comes 10 links to articles, each one trying to sell you something. You click through 3 websites before finding a real answer. You scroll past pop-ups, cookie banners, and irrelevant content. 20 minutes later, you have what you needed. That's where AI search has stepped in. Tool number 1, perplexity. Perplexity is what Google would be if it actually answered your question instead of showing you 10 links. You type a question. Perplexity reads the web for you in real time and gives you a direct answer with sources cited at the bottom. No ads, no SEO spam, no clicking through 5 websites, just the answer. For research, comparisons, technical questions, and decision-making, Perplexity beats Google every time. It's free at perplexity.ai. Try it once and you'll understand why people are switching. Tool number 2, ChatGPT or Claude. When your question isn't really a search question, but a thinking question, these tools work better than any search engine. What does that mean? Search engines find information. AI assistants reason through it. If you ask Google, what's the best laptop for a college student under 60,000 rupees, Google shows you 10 ranking articles. If you ask Claude or ChatGPT, they ask follow-up questions. What subjects? Do you need it for graphics work? Will you carry it daily? Then they give you a tailored answer. For personal decisions, planning, comparing options, or anything that requires understanding your specific situation, use Claude or ChatGPT, not Google. Tool number 3, YouTube. This might surprise you. But YouTube is now the second largest search engine in the world, and for many topics, it's better than Google. How to fix something, how to learn a skill, how to use a product, how something actually works in practice. Watching someone do it on YouTube is faster than reading an article. The visual element makes complex topics simple. Need to fix a tap, learn to negotiate a salary, understand a complex topic, figure out how to use a new app, try YouTube before you try Google, especially for anything practical or hands-on. So here's the new rule for 2026. Use Google for quick facts, use Perplexity for research and real answers, use Claude or ChatGPT for thinking and decisions, use YouTube for how-to and learning. Each tool has a job. Once you start using them this way, you'll wonder how you wasted so much time on Google for everything. One last thing, Google itself knows this is happening. They've added AI summaries at the top of search results. Sometimes those work, often they don't. Don't rely on them for anything important. The dedicated AI tools are still significantly better. Your search habits are about to change forever. Pick one of these tools. Use it for 1 week. You won't go back. If this video helped you think differently about search, subscribe to TamcastHub. Every week, I show you the AI tools that are quietly replacing the apps you've been using for years. So you spend less time stuck and more time getting answers. I'll see you in the next video.